Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change color notes Instagram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is open Instagram and log into your account. Once you're here, tap on the message icon at the top right corner to see the notes. Please take note that this will only work if your Instagram is up to date, so make sure to update your app before doing this to make sure it will work. Now tap on the note to make a note. To change your note color, type a message and include specific keywords or emojis. Some of the words that trigger the color include gold, Olympics, champion, victory, and medal. You can also use emojis like the gold medal or the goat. And there you go, we have achieved the color change note on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!